Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this really easy dry brush and freehand nail design. So the polishes I'm using are all neon polishes, and I'm using this Pretty Blue by Pure Ice called Pocket Dial, Neon Green by China Glaze called Kiwi Kool-Aid, a Neon Orange also by China Glaze called Sun Worshipper, and another China Glaze. I gotta sell that Saudis. I went crazy. Neon Yellow called Celtic Sun, and a neon pink by Orly called Electro Pop. Now I want to do a really quick and easy design. You can do any colors you want, but I want to do neons because it's summertime. And what I did was I first painted my nails with white, and I'm just doing some swipes of the colors. It just, the white background just brings out the colors, the neons especially. It just gives it like a real fun pop look. This is a really easy design. Like I said, you can add as many colors as you want. I kind of went crazy with the neons, but like I said, it's perfect for summertime. And then using my black nail striper, I'm just going to draw some random abstract lines. You don't have to add as many lines as I did. You can add a couple of lines, but it just gives it a fun, cool look. I just loved it. And like I said, I wanted to do a really quick, easy nail design. You don't want to sit doing designs all day. So I wanted to show you something really quick and easy and really simple. I hope I made it simple. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.